BMW C3 M Roadster 99 manual transmission. So whoever was working on this car before, they broke the drain plug for the radiator, so it was pretty much stuck right there. So what I did, I drill with the drill, I made a hole right there, and with my pliers, needle pliers, I just twisted and I put some W40 to loosen up a little bit, and then I took it out and I just sort of replaced the new one right there. See? But anyways, so we're flushing the coolant, and for the block, the plug is right, I mean the drain plug is, or the block is right there. You see this bolt right here, which I do believe is an 18 millimeter right here. In order to take it out, you will have, there are two ways to do it. Either you take out the auto sensor so you can have more space, because if you want to put a socket right here, this metal part, which is the auto sensor, is going to be on your way. Or if you want to remove the auto sensor, you can use a wrench from here, from the bottom, and that kind of wrench is like a Z shape, where you have a room to put your wrench right there, and you just remove it. So two ways to take it out, using the wrench, or you can take out the auto sensor, which is on the way. So that's the drain plug, and it is right below, right above where your transmission plug is too, right there. Transmission plug to fill it up, to drain it right there, on the bottom right there, to fill it up, and right above the drain plug for the fluid for the transmission, right there. That's where the drain plug for the block for the coolant, it is located. All right, so that's pretty much it. I'm just gonna go ahead and take it out.